I want to show you everything, okay? This is behind the scenes stuff. Hey everybody, it's Dustin Morgan, your off-site home construction expert. Today I'm standing in the factory and this is where it all starts, the framing, the foundation of your off-site built home. And it's built with the same strong lumber as anything that's built on site. The big difference is it's built indoors. No weather delays, no rain, no rot, high quality, tight cuts, all indoors. And as you can see above me, I got a big ass fan above me right now. And all you framers and construction guys out there, or anybody who's done any construction outside, could you only imagine how much nicer it is not to have the sun just beating down on you all day long, every cut and every nail you drive. So yeah, let's get started. Right here is a small house that we're building, but this is the foundation of it with 2x10 floor joist on 16-inch centers, double bridge blocked. Okay, the point of it is here. We're not the only one to build houses, obviously. We're not claiming to be the best at it. We're claiming to do the best that we can in the model that we have, which the model is off-site construction, which is the future of housing. Okay, it's speed, quality, and out of the weather, no delays. And so 16 inches on center, doubled up rim joist on this one, doubled up bridge blocks with the timbers underneath. The timbers underneath is how we can transport this house and set it on your permanent concrete foundation. Otherwise, like mobile homes use metal frames. We don't use metal frames, we use wood beams, okay? That keeps you conventional. That keeps your appraisals high. You see, comparable on-site builds. And so there's the floor framing kind of overview of it. It's the same as if we would have built this house on a wood floor on location. Okay, it's the exact same. It's just a few different steps, a few more steps we have to take to do it inside the factory, get it to your location, and set on a permanent concrete slab. Okay, now look, these are your standard framing, okay? No finger jointed 2x4s. We could do 2x6s, okay? Look, as I'm talking about this, as I'm showing you stuff in the factory, and this is behind the scenes stuff, okay? Nobody does tours like this. No one gets to see how this all happens. They just get to see the finished product. I wanna show you everything, okay? So please don't be like, well, that's not 2x6s, that's 2x4s. Okay, this is our standard. This is the standard across the country forever, okay? If insulated correctly, it works, okay? Different zones of the country is gonna be different, okay? But we're in North Texas right now. No finger jointed 2x4s. 16 inch on center, okay? In this case, when we're doing offsite, we do doubled up 2x4s every 4 feet. Every 4 feet, the 2x4s will be doubled up, okay? Everything is nailed and screwed to the subfloor, okay? And everything is super tight. Everything is inside. There's no weather. The weather in here is perfect every single day. And as you'll see, the cuts on the rafters are perfect. They're just dang near cabinet grade cuts. Okay, this is what you get when it's in a controlled environment. When I talk about a controlled environment, these are the things that I'm talking about. Now, the end result, does it necessarily matter to you? You never see the framing on the inside of the wall. You only see what's in the house and what's outside of the house. But you start talking about these things start to matter when in the longevity of your building, of your home, okay? Why does longevity mean? What does that really mean? It means less maintenance for you as you're living there, and it also means something to pass down to the next generation when you're gone. That's really what it means. So quality is so important in how it's framed, okay? And we're talking about framing here. And so we work here from the inside out, okay? So the sheathing is put on the inside first so that we can get guys working on the inside and guys working on the outside at the same time. So all of your holes, all of your electric lines and your plumbing lines will be drilled from the outside, installed from the outside. You can't do that on site. You can do that inside in a controlled environment. Now, whether it's a single section home or a double section home, it doesn't matter. It's built in here the same way. And framing is the foundation, what I call the foundation of our homes, because we're clearly not building ground up inside the factory. We're building wood floor up inside the factory. So I hope this helps give you an insight on the framing methods, how it's handled inside a factory, okay? Look, there's framers all over the country that do an amazing job. Please bear in mind, we have a mission here to get houses to more people, the best quality, the fastest, the most cost-effective way we possibly can. And that's what we're fighting here. That's what you're looking for when you're looking for a quality built, fast, energy efficient home to provide for your family. And like I tell people all the time, it's not exactly what the product is, it's what it does for your family. And then we're trying to combine all of it and package all that up and give to you. That's what we do here at Offsite Construction. That's what I do. If you ever need to talk more, text, call 405-674-4422. I'll see you on the next video.